Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Eviani Nola. I'm from the English department at Eviani Metro. I'm here to give you some tips on how to do a good presentation. Do you know? Okay, no problem if you don't know. Let's study together for me. Don't take too long. Let's just discuss. Definition of presentation, my opinion, is the delivery of material in front of many people. Then, how to do a good presentation? Okay, I will give you some tips on how to do a good presentation. You want? Okay, let's study together. Tips number 1, we prepare the material to be seen. That's the main thing. Number 2, we must be confident. Yes, confident. Because if we are confident, then people who pay attention to us can quickly understand what we are saying. Number 3, we must master and understand the material well. Of course, because our goal of the people to understand what we are conveying and can know that the audience expects from our presentation. Okay, next, number 4, the opening in the presentation must be interesting so that the audience is interested in our presentation, and avoid difficult opening because it can cause audience saturation. Number 5, deliver the material briefly, straight to the point, so that the audience can understand what the essence of the material we convey. Okay, number 6, try to relax so that our audience focus is not split. Okay, next, number 7, make eye contact with audience because that the atmosphere does not feel tense. Okay, next, number 8, we must recognize because that there is interaction in presentation. Number 9, we must pay attention to our appearance because that is the audience can stay focused on us with what we are conveying. Number 9, and the last, number 9, we must be professional. Yes, be professional because we are prepare ourselves carefully. So I will repeat my tips again. Number 1, we prepare the material to be seen. Number 2, we must be confident. Number 3, we must master and understand material well. Number 4, the opening in the presentation must be interesting. Number 5, deliver the material briefly. Number 6, try to relax. Number 7, make eye contact with the audience. Number 8, we must recognize the audience. Number 9, we must pay attention to appearance. And the last, number 10, we must be professional. So the 10 tips on how to do a good presentation for me. Hopefully it will be useful for all of us, and thank you for watching and wanting to learn together for me. And don't forget to help, like, comment, share, and subscribe. In the last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.